Now, presently, this iMac has 256 megs of RAM, which is obviously not enough. What we're going to do is I'm going to have a look through the RAM box, and I found this puppy. We're going to stick it in there and see if we can set about upgrading it. So, first thing first, I'm going to shut it down. Hopefully I can see my mouse. Don't you run out of power on me, camera. Right, this is now what would be known in the business as a creative angle. So we're going to do open the RAM door here. I hope, anyway. There we go, door open. And we're going to get the stick. And we're going to chuck it in. Right, stick chucked in. Screwdriver will be helpful. Door shut, and now we're going to boot this. As we got the stick installed, let's go in for the boot up. There we go. So, just going to close that dialog box. So quickly, well, that's so slowly actually, because it's this camera, but find a boot this Macintosh 7. There we go. Read and weep. We are now at 768 megs of SD-RAM, and still a 700 MHz PowerPC G3, and still the terrible 10 gig hard drive. This requires for some celebratory music. Now, what I failed to mention in the last video featuring this is that this is running 10.4.11 Tiger. What is not going to pick up on the content ID? The Mac intro sound. So that concludes this escapade for now. Now maybe a hard drive upgrade coming at some point. Not going to spoil any surprises though.